this season. Please stand by shortly as the on-field trophy presentation is underway.
Maea talonga Aupiki au kadinga. Malulu atu lau al Matatu. Maea alisa warakatu ya autofe ina. Ya wapawa Matatu.
So if he's out there, she's looking for you, Dad. Talk us through that moment. We see the space on the inside, can you just inject that gas?
I don't know. I feel like one of the most working hard and all I had to do was just finish, but I'm so proud of my team, man. That was an 80-minute game, and yeah, just we won!
What did you guys talk about at halftime? Because you came out with plenty of energy to inject life into that second half.
We know that Matatu was an 80-minute team. They really good structure. They don't give up, and we just said how much they're willing to give to one another. I think with the final, we can often look at the external thing, but we just stay within us, and we have a quote that says just us for us, and I feel like we reflected that tonight.
3 years in a row, how does it feel?
Has it ever done before?
All right, well there you have it. From the horse's mouth, how good?
Kiga kali ko sa puro Matatu. Kaya ole fasira budi. I feel sorry for Matatu. It was a very good crowd. Big crowd for today. About 10,000.
Yeah, thank you, Taylor.
Crowd.
So sorry, talk us through that. Those moments. Take the three or go to the tip.
We're a team that is very faith-driven and reliable a lot on our own belief because we knew how important this game was. It was an away game, so we knew that it was going to be hard to play in front of a crowd that wasn't going to support us. And so we had to back ourselves and tap move all day.
Tap move all day. Where do you think it was right towards the end there? Because if you looked at that missed touch kick and then it got them the ability to get to 21 all, what was set to go? What do you think they were?
Our motto all season has been just us for us, and so regardless of any mistake that we make, it's how we come together and unite. So it was pretty much just next job after that.
Next job, celebrations, what's the plans?
I've got to make most of our celebrations tonight.
Are you enjoying them? You've earned them how many for 3 in a row?
Thank you so much.
There you go, Taylor.
Na le ngwana talonga te sampini vale plus talonga sa fai nei le Matatu ya sorry ya Matatu sa Matatu no le look at the crowd, very good crowd, support ya Matatu la to out pawa so ya se lai mun na ta wina to di start video ta fatano ta so te ta alo blue